I'm gonna tell you about a mistake that I did for a long time that made me waste a lot of time. And the mistake was that I was hanging out with the wrong people just for the sake of socializing, really. So I wanted to meet people, I wanted to make friends, and I would just say yes to every hangout. And I tell you to do this in some of my videos in some way, because if you're starting from zero, then you got to go for quantity and meet as many people as possible. But once you've already met them, once you know them a little bit, and you know whether or not you want to see them again, if your conclusion is that maybe they're not the right people for you, then it's probably better to not see them again, okay? And there might be a temptation, at least there was for me, to still see them anyway. But like, sure, you could argue that it's still gonna make you improve your social skills, but there's probably better things you can do with your time as long as you're still being social, okay? So I just didn't have the introspection that was necessary to figure out, okay, like, is this person good for me or not? They were not necessarily bad people. I mean, some of them were. That's maybe for another video. That's a video about trusting your gut when it comes to people, okay? And so yeah, as much as I think you should meet a lot of people, and I talk about the importance of making friends and being social, and like, I'm definitely a people person, okay? I love people, but don't blame yourself if there's someone you don't want to hang out with. It's okay. Just give them a chance, though. I think the problem is that a lot of people are very negative and pessimistic about people, and they'll just see them once and just assume like, oh, this person's a loser, this person is just like, too boring or whatever. And I think sometimes it's because you don't give people a chance. But yeah, that was my mistake, just hanging out with the wrong people for too long. That being said, it's important to meet a lot of people, especially when you're starting from zero. And for that, I built something that I call the Friendship Builder, and you can download it for free. It's in the description. It's going to help you keep track of the people you meet, keep yourself accountable. I highly recommend it because it's going to help you actually take action instead of just watching videos about this stuff.